Title: Navigating the Aftermath of an 18-Wheeler Accident in San Antonio, Why You Need an Attorney. Accidents involving 18-wheelers or tractor-trailers can be particularly devastating, given the size and weight of these massive vehicles. In San Antonio, a city known for its bustling highways and transportation industry, such accidents are not uncommon. If you or a loved one has been involved in an 18-wheeler accident in San Antonio, it's crucial to understand the importance of seeking legal representation from an experienced 18-wheeler accident attorney. The complexity of 18-wheeler accident cases. 18-wheeler accidents often result in severe injuries and extensive property damage. These cases are more complex than typical car accidents for several reasons. 1. Multiple parties involved. Unlike typical car accidents, 18-wheeler accidents can involve multiple parties, including the truck driver, trucking company, maintenance companies, and even the truck manufacturer. Determining liability can be challenging, and without legal expertise, you may not receive the compensation you deserve. 2. Complex regulations. The trucking industry is heavily regulated by federal and state laws. Your attorney needs to have a deep understanding of these regulations to build a strong case. Violations of these rules can be a critical factor in establishing liability. 3. Severity of injuries. 18-wheeler accidents often result in catastrophic injuries due to the sheer size and weight of the vehicles involved. These injuries may require extensive medical treatment and result in long-term disability, making it essential to seek maximum compensation. 4. Negotiating with insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies, especially those representing trucking companies, can be an arduous process. Experienced 18-wheeler accident attorneys understand how to negotiate with these companies and ensure you are not taken advantage of during settlement talks. The role of an 18-wheeler accident attorney. Hiring an attorney who specializes in 18-wheeler accidents is crucial in protecting your rights and securing the compensation you deserve. Here's what a skilled attorney can do for you. 1. Investigate the accident. Attorneys have the resources and knowledge to conduct a thorough investigation. They can gather evidence, interview witnesses, and work with accident reconstruction experts to determine the cause of the accident and establish liability. 2. Handle complex paperwork. These cases often involve extensive paperwork, including medical records, police reports, and insurance claims. Your attorney will manage this paperwork efficiently and accurately, preventing costly mistakes. 3. Negotiate on your behalf. Attorneys are experienced negotiators who can represent your interests when dealing with insurance companies and at-fault parties. They will work to secure the compensation you need for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and more. 4. Prepare for litigation. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, your attorney will prepare your case for litigation and represent you in court. Their expertise in courtroom procedures can be invaluable in securing a favorable outcome. Conclusion. 18-wheeler accidents in San Antonio can be devastating and complicated, necessitating the services of an experienced attorney. With their knowledge of complex regulations, negotiation skills, and ability to handle intricate paperwork, an 18-wheeler accident attorney will be your advocate in pursuing the compensation you deserve. When facing the aftermath of an 18-wheeler accident, don't go it alone. Seek the assistance of a qualified attorney to protect your rights and work towards a better future. In the bustling city of San Antonio, Texas, the presence of 18-wheelers on the roadways is a common sight. These massive vehicles play a crucial role in the transportation of goods, but they also pose a significant risk when involved in accidents. When a collision occurs between a passenger vehicle and an 18-wheeler, the consequences can be catastrophic. In such cases, seeking the services of an experienced 18-wheeler accident attorney in San Antonio becomes paramount. Understanding 18-wheeler accidents. An 18-wheeler accident, often referred to as a semi-truck accident, can have devastating consequences due to the sheer size and weight of these vehicles. They can weigh up to 80,000 pounds when fully loaded, which is significantly heavier than the average passenger car. Consequently, accidents involving 18-wheelers can result in severe injuries, fatalities, and extensive property damage. Common causes of 18-wheeler accidents. Various factors can lead to 18-wheeler accidents. Some of the most common causes include: 1. Driver fatigue * long hours on the road can lead to fatigue, impairing a truck driver's judgment and reaction time. 2. Speeding * due to tight schedules and pressure to meet delivery deadlines, truck drivers may exceed speed limits, increasing the risk of accidents. 3. Distracted driving * like all drivers, truck operators can become distracted by cell phones, GPS devices, or in-cab distractions. 4. Impaired driving * the use of drugs or alcohol by truck drivers can severely impair their ability to operate their vehicles safely. 5. Inadequate maintenance * neglected maintenance of trucks can lead to mechanical failures and accidents. 6. Improper loading * poorly loaded cargo can shift during transit, causing the truck to become unstable and leading to accidents. The role of an 18-wheeler accident attorney. When an 18-wheeler accident occurs in San Antonio, the victims often face physical, emotional, and financial hardships. An experienced 18-wheeler accident attorney can play a crucial role in helping them navigate the legal landscape and obtain the compensation they deserve. Here's how they can assist. 1. Investigation * attorneys work to gather evidence related to the accident, including police reports, witness statements, and data from electronic logging devices in the truck. 2. Determining liability * establishing fault in an 18-wheeler accident can be complex. Attorneys examine the circumstances and laws to determine who is responsible, which may include the driver, the trucking company, or third parties. 3. Negotiation * skilled attorneys negotiate with insurance companies and at-fault parties to secure a fair settlement on behalf of their clients. 4. Litigation * if a settlement cannot be reached, attorneys are prepared to take the case to court and advocate for their clients during trial. 5. Securing compensation * attorneys help victims seek compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, pain and suffering, and other damages resulting from the accident. 6. Providing support * beyond legal matters, 18-wheeler accident attorneys offer emotional support to their clients during a challenging time. Conclusion. An 18-wheeler accident in San Antonio can have life-altering consequences. In such situations, it's essential to seek the expertise of an experienced 18-wheeler accident attorney who can help victims navigate the complex legal system, determine liability, and secure the compensation they need to rebuild their lives. If you or a loved one has been involved in an 18-wheeler accident, don't hesitate to reach out to a dedicated attorney in San Antonio who can advocate for your rights and guide you through the recovery process. Accidents involving 18-wheelers, also known as big rigs or semi-trucks, can have devastating consequences. Due to their sheer size and weight, these commercial vehicles can cause significant damage and severe injuries when involved in accidents. If you or a loved one has been involved in an 18-wheeler accident in San Antonio, it's crucial to understand the role of an experienced 18-wheeler accident attorney. In this article, we'll explore the importance of hiring a skilled attorney in San Antonio to protect your rights and seek compensation after a big rig accident. 1. Expertise in trucking regulations. One of the primary reasons to hire an 18-wheeler accident attorney in San Antonio is their expertise in federal and state trucking regulations. These regulations are complex and extensive, and violations can be a leading cause of truck accidents. Attorneys specializing in 18-wheeler accidents are well-versed in the rules that govern the trucking industry and can identify violations that may have contributed to the accident. 2. Investigation and evidence gathering. After an 18-wheeler accident, gathering evidence is crucial to establish liability and pursue a successful legal claim. A skilled attorney will work to gather essential evidence, such as accident reports, eyewitness testimonies, black box data, maintenance records, and driver logs. This information is critical in determining the cause of the accident and proving the negligence of the trucking company or the driver. 3. Determining liability. Establishing liability in an 18-wheeler accident can be a complex process. Often, multiple parties can be held responsible, including the truck driver, the trucking company, maintenance providers, and manufacturers. An experienced attorney can evaluate the circumstances surrounding the accident and identify all potentially liable parties. This is crucial in ensuring that you receive the compensation you deserve. 4. Negotiating with insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies can be challenging, as they often prioritize their own interests and aim to settle claims for as little as possible. An 18-wheeler accident attorney in San Antonio can handle all communication and negotiations with the insurance companies on your behalf. They have the experience to fight for a fair settlement that covers your medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, and pain and suffering. 5. Pursuing compensation. In 18-wheeler accident cases, the potential for compensation can be substantial, given the severe injuries and damages involved. An attorney can help you pursue compensation for various damages, including medical bills, coverage for current and future medical expenses related to the accident, lost wages, compensation for income lost due to the accident and potential future earning capacity, property damage, reimbursement for the repair or replacement of your vehicle and personal belongings, pain and suffering, compensation for the physical and emotional distress caused by the accident, wrongful death. In cases of fatal 18-wheeler accidents, an attorney can help surviving family members pursue a wrongful death claim. 6. Litigation and court representation. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiations, your 18-wheeler accident attorney will be prepared to take your case to court. They will advocate for your rights in the courtroom, presenting evidence and arguments to seek the compensation you deserve. Conclusion. In the aftermath of an 18-wheeler accident in San Antonio, hiring an experienced attorney is essential. Their expertise in trucking regulations, evidence gathering, liability determination, negotiation skills, and litigation experience can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. By seeking legal representation, you can increase your chances of receiving fair compensation for your injuries and losses, allowing you to focus on your recovery and moving forward after a traumatic accident. In the bustling city of San Antonio, 18-wheelers are a common sight on the roads and highways. These massive trucks play a vital role in transporting goods across Texas and beyond. However, their sheer size and weight can pose a significant risk to other motorists, leading to devastating accidents. When a collision involving an 18-wheeler occurs, it's essential to seek the assistance of an experienced 18-wheeler accident attorney in San Antonio to navigate the complex legal aftermath. Understanding the nature of 18-wheeler accidents. Accidents involving 18-wheelers can result in catastrophic injuries and extensive property damage. Given the disparity in size and weight between a passenger vehicle and an 18-wheeler, it's often the occupants of the smaller vehicle who suffer the most severe consequences. These accidents can occur for various reasons, including 1. Driver fatigue. Long hours on the road can lead to driver fatigue, impairing a trucker's ability to react to changing traffic conditions. 2. Mechanical failures. Poorly maintained trucks are more likely to experience mechanical failures, such as brake issues or tire blowouts, leading to accidents. 3. Speeding and reckless driving. Some truck drivers may engage in speeding or aggressive driving behaviors, increasing the risk of accidents. 4. Distracted or impaired driving. Just like any other driver, truckers can become distracted or impaired by alcohol, drugs, or even mobile devices. 5. Poor weather conditions. Adverse weather conditions, like rain or fog, can make driving an 18-wheeler even more challenging. The complex legal landscape. Navigating the legal aftermath of an 18-wheeler accident can be incredibly complex. This complexity arises from a variety of factors, such as 1. Multiple parties. In many cases, there are multiple parties involved in an 18-wheeler accident, including the truck driver, trucking company, vehicle manufacturer, and more. Determining liability can be intricate. 2. Federal regulations. The trucking industry is subject to numerous federal regulations, which can have a significant impact on liability and the outcome of a legal case. 3. Substantial insurance policies. Trucking companies typically have substantial insurance policies, often leading to protracted negotiations and legal battles when it comes to compensation. 4. Severe injuries and damages. The substantial injuries and property damage often associated with 18-wheeler accidents necessitate a thorough assessment to determine the full extent of compensation required. The role of an 18-wheeler accident attorney. An experienced 18-wheeler accident attorney in San Antonio can be a valuable ally in your pursuit of justice and compensation after a truck accident. Here's how they can help. 1. Investigation. Attorneys have the resources and knowledge to conduct a comprehensive investigation into the accident, including obtaining crucial evidence such as black box data and witness statements. 2. Liability determination. They can identify liable parties and assess their degree of fault, helping you build a strong case. 3. Negotiation. An attorney can negotiate with the trucking company's insurance and legal team to secure fair compensation for your injuries and damages. 4. Litigation. If necessary, your attorney can take your case to court, ensuring your rights are protected throughout the legal process. 5. Expertise. Attorneys understand the complexities of trucking regulations and have the expertise needed to navigate them effectively. Conclusion. Dealing with the aftermath of an 18-wheeler accident in San Antonio can be overwhelming, especially considering the multiple factors at play and the severity of potential injuries. An 18-wheeler accident attorney in San Antonio is your best resource for navigating the legal landscape and securing the compensation you deserve. Their experience and expertise will help ensure your rights are protected and that you can focus on recovery during a challenging time. Accidents involving 18-wheelers, also known as semi-trucks or tractor-trailers, can be catastrophic and life-altering events. The city of San Antonio, Texas, a major transportation hub, witnesses its fair share of these accidents. When such incidents occur, it is essential to understand the role of an 18-wheeler accident attorney in San Antonio, as they play a crucial role in helping victims seek justice and compensation. This article will explore the responsibilities and importance of these specialized attorneys in the context of 18-wheeler accidents. The significance of 18-wheeler accidents in San Antonio. San Antonio's strategic location as a major crossroads for several highways, including I-10 and I-35, makes it a prime thoroughfare for countless commercial trucks, including 18-wheelers. These massive vehicles transport goods across the state and the country, contributing to the economic vitality of the region. However, the sheer size and weight of these trucks pose a significant risk on the roads, leading to an increased potential for accidents. The consequences of an 18-wheeler accident can be devastating. Victims often suffer severe injuries, including spinal cord injuries, traumatic brain injuries, fractures, and even fatalities. These accidents can also result in substantial property damage and financial losses. In the aftermath of such a traumatic event, it is essential for victims to seek legal recourse to obtain the compensation they deserve. The role of an 18-wheeler accident attorney. 1. Legal expertise. 18-wheeler accident attorneys are legal experts who specialize in handling cases involving truck accidents. They possess a deep understanding of the applicable laws and regulations governing the trucking industry, as well as the unique challenges associated with these cases. This expertise is invaluable in helping victims build a strong legal case. 2. Investigation and evidence gathering. Attorneys in this field work tirelessly to gather evidence and investigate the accident thoroughly. This may involve collecting police reports, surveillance footage, witness statements, and data from the truck's black box, which records crucial information about the accident. This evidence is used to establish liability and build a compelling case on behalf of the victim. 3. Determining liability. Establishing liability in 18-wheeler accidents can be complex. Truck accidents may result from various factors, including driver error, equipment failure, or even negligence on the part of the trucking company. An experienced attorney can determine the parties responsible for the accident and hold them accountable. 4. Negotiation and litigation. 18-wheeler accident attorneys are skilled negotiators. They engage with insurance companies, trucking companies, and other parties involved to secure a fair settlement for their clients. If negotiations fail, they are prepared to take the case to court and advocate for their clients in a trial setting. 5. Maximizing compensation. The primary goal of an 18-wheeler accident attorney is to secure maximum compensation for their clients. This compensation may cover medical expenses, lost income, pain and suffering, and other damages resulting from the accident. Conclusion. In the bustling city of San Antonio, 18-wheeler accidents are a harsh reality for many individuals and families. When these devastating events occur, the role of an 18-wheeler accident attorney in seeking justice and compensation cannot be overstated. These specialized attorneys bring their legal expertise, investigative skills, and determination to ensure that victims receive the support and compensation they deserve. If you or a loved one has been involved in an 18-wheeler accident in San Antonio, it is crucial to consult with an experienced attorney who can guide you through the legal process and help you on the path to recovery. These professionals play a vital role in holding negligent parties accountable and providing victims with the opportunity to rebuild their lives after such traumatic events.